Hey guys, welcome to my beauty channel. Today we're going to do a drugstore makeup tutorial, and I'm mostly going to use all drugstore items. You can find these items at Ulta, Target, Walgreens, etc. And just a quick disclaimer, yes, I am using the Anastasia brow definer. I don't have anything drugstore for my eyebrows currently. So next I'm going to go in to blend with my MAC 208 brush, and I'm going to go back and forth. I'm going to blend down, and I'm also going to push upwards, and I am going to go in between the use of the brush and also the definer with that spoolie as well. Next, we're going to do foundation, and I'm using the L'Oreal True Match in Classic Ivory N2. I'm going to dab on some foundation, then I'm going to blend with any type of foundation brush. Go in with our concealer, and I'm currently using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer in color Light Sand. Set our eyes and our face with our no filter setting loose setting powder in soft pink, and this is from ColourPop. Next we're going to do bronzer, and it is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in MuruMuru Butter Bronzer. For blush, I'm going to go in with ColourPop Petal Pusher Pressed Powder Blush. This is a really pretty purpley pink color. Don't forget to add some blush on your nose and on your forehead, then blend it out. I use the brush that I set, and I don't put any extra product, I just use what's left. For highlight, we're going to use Milani, and this is an O2 Stellar Lights palette, and the color I'm using is Make Believe Illusion. And yes girl, use that nose highlight. Fix my hairs and curl my lashes. For mascara, we're using the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect. I'm using the ColourPop Liquid Liner in shade Numero 1. the sides of the wings with my foundation and a angled brush. I'm gonna set with ColourPop Pretty Fresh, and this is the Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. Alrighty, so now just put on some lip gloss, and I did forget to do it on camera. I'm using the ColourPop Double Agent color, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, please give me a like, and please subscribe as well. Follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Bye guys.